Hi there, good morning. I'm standing in front of the stations. One is going to the Milan, and the station behind me is the terminal station to the Bernina line. I'm going to take a Bernina line train from here in a very early morning, and so it will be very beautiful and mountain experience. Let's have a look, and I'm very much excited, and I can't really wait. On the day of my journey with the Bernina Railway, I had purchased a ticket called the UNESCO World Heritage Pass in advance. With this ticket, I could ride the ultimate train on the Bernina Railway for 2 days. So I started my journey at 7 AM to ride as many trains as possible throughout the day. 7:41 AM, the second-class regional train bound for St. Moritz. Although this train is not a Bernina Express, then it's famous for its panoramic windows. This second-class train is ideal for photography because we can open the windows. Moreover, the configuration of the seat is great for people traveling with their family members because 2 seats are facing each other to form a one isolated section. I think the first highlight of the Bernina Railway is the Brusio spiral viaduct. This viaduct is built to allow the Bernina Railway to have the slope up to 7%, which is within the normal limit for the Adhesion railway system, and it has been functioning since its construction in 1908. The train reaches the Brusio spiral viaduct in 20 minutes after leaving Tirano. Passengers were very excited taking photo of the spiral-shaped viaduct. It is intriguing to see that train progresses on the viaduct as it is like an airplane taking off from the runway. From the upper end of the bridge, you can see that railway on the Brusio spiral viaduct is laid out in a precise circumference. You will be amazed by the advanced level of architectural engineering adopted at the time of construction. After crossing the Brusio spiral viaduct, train continued to gain altitude. Tirano is located at an altitude of 441 meters, and the train needs to climb to reach Ospizio Bernina station, which is located at an altitude of 2,253 meters above sea level. The scenery from the train changing as you climb in altitude. It is the real thrill of riding a mountain train. Bernina Railway is a mountain railway. It climbs a gradient, a slope of 7% gradient. And then compared to Nilgi Mountain Railway, India, which is a high steepest track, is 8.33%. The difference between Bernina and then Nilgi is that Bernina Railway doesn't use rack rails to climb very hilly, steep slope. The beauty of the Bernina Railway is that you can often encounter such spectacular views, and this is why Bernina Railway became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2008. The bad news is that the train moves at high speed, so it is common for you to miss out on the good photo opportunities. 11 past 10 a.m. 2.5 hours have passed since we left Tirano. We arrived at St. Moritz station on time. It was a satisfactory journey on the mountain railway. We just reached the St. Moritz station on time at now it is 10 past 10 in the morning, and then this is very pleasant, clear, sunny day today. The train journey was about 2 hours and 30 minutes, and then we saw a lot of nice, beautiful mountains, rivers, and everything was so great. For today, I'm gonna just leave my suitcase at the station at the luggage storage space. Then I will go hiking first. It's gonna be very interesting trip again. The facility of St. Moritz station. There is an underpass in the middle of the platform. You will see the station office where there are useful facilities such as a customer center, information counter, and a baggage storage counter. There is a locker that is open for 24 hours, so I decided to leave my suitcase there. Payment can be made with a credit card, so you can use this locker even if you don't have a lot of local currency on hand. I was able to leave my luggage successfully, and I headed out for a hike as planned. Mike Kobayashi, Bernina Railway Day 2, Tirano to St. Moritz.